my tears till the morning. If my love is broke, I'll ignore it. I'm on holiday, playing.
Why I use it on my project is that I mostly crochet lace or open work projects. And the advantage of using this is that you actually make the first row along with the foundation. Like on this one, when I finish the foundation chain loop, I actually already created row 1 if I'm doing this crochet work whose beginning or foundation is made up of chains. So in this technique, you basically create the foundation chain and first row at one time. So this saves a lot of time. Another advantage is that after you finish the project, the width of the 2-inch matches because they will be of the same width, whereas if you use chain foundation, the foundation chains are usually tighter than the ending stitches. See how the 2 ends matches together. So that's another great advantage. So now let me show you how to make this chain loop foundation in crochet. So just like any other crochet, you begin with a slip knot. I will use a chain 3 triple crochet combination for this chain loop foundation. But for this combination to work, I will chain 4 for the first loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I chain 4 because I need the beginning chain, the first chain that was made, to hook the triple crochet side of the chain loop. And one chain loop foundation is made. To make the second and subsequent loops, I will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and triple crochet on the 2 end loops of the previous chain loop, this loop right here. And these are the 2 end loops, 1, 2. I insert the hook there and draw up a loop and finish the triple crochet stitch. And then repeat, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet on the 2 end loops of the previous chain loop. So make as many loops as you need for the project that you are making. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your future projects.